the CPB CP320 mat, heating mat. It's well made. So it has the different mode, phone or tablet mode. You have the memories. You can change the temperature. You can set the timer on it. So it heats up really fast. It's already hot already. I can feel the heat coming up. Ooh, this thing heats fast. It's well made. So if you guys look for a heat pad, this is probably the best one out there. And these are not copies, they're original. There's plenty out there looks like this, but this one's a well-made one. They don't come like one sheet of instruction. You gotta play with it. And one cord. I like it, so you look into it, you look for a nice heating pad. This is pretty big, this one, see? So this does the phone and tablet. And give it a little extra texture you want to work on this pad.